AI is reshaping the entire dropshipping game in 2025, and after doing over $4 million without it, I can tell you 100% the old way of dropshipping is completely dead. And in this video, I'll show you how I'm using AI to build fully optimized Shopify stores in minutes and creating studio quality product photos with zero effort. But the truth is, if you're not adapting right now, you're falling behind. So stay to the end of this video and you'll know exactly how to use these new AI tools to your advantage. Have you ever wondered how those crazy high quality product photos magically appeared on a competitor's store and you're just stuck with all these supplier photos? Nowadays, those high quality product photos are actually just made with AI, and it only took a couple sentences to make them. It's extremely easy compared to the old way where you'd either have to have crazy Photoshop skills or wait weeks for your product to come in and then hire a photographer to create quality photos for you. So here's exactly how you create high quality product photos with ChatGPT and Flare AI. This is a great example of product photos made with AI. Basically, every single photo here was made with AI, including this guy holding the product right here. We're gonna be taking an example right here. This is a creatine monohydrate that we're gonna be making AI photos with. So we're gonna download this product right here. And all we really do, we have two tools that we can use. First one being Flare AI. All you really do is put the product here and you're able to select a template and it will spit out a good quality product image. Flare AI is a great tool and it's very easy to make quality product photos with this, but we are gonna be using ChatGPT. As you can see here, I gave it the product photo and gave it this prompt right here. Told it to basically create a branded product image with the example and use the exact design with marble stone floors and a light red background. And it spit out this image right here. It looks extremely quality and it doesn't even look like it was made with AI. So it's really that simple to create quality branded photos. So now that you have high quality photos, we can now use AI to create UGC content revolving around our product. Creating UGC content is a massive key to succeeding in dropshipping today. Having custom content compared to everyone else gives you a slight edge over everyone else and you're able to tailor your content exactly how you want it to be. Having UGC is one of the key points to creating a brand that stands for a long time. But the usual way is chasing down influencers, negotiating rates, and often waiting weeks for UGC content, which is actually outdated. So let's create UGC content using AI. So the top two tools for AI UGC is Creatify and ArcAds. They're both great tools, but we're gonna be using ArcAds. It's the same exact concept. So inside Creatify and ArcAds, you're able to select any actor you really want. You have females, males, podcast creators, doctors, you name it, they have it. And simply all you do is feed it a script and it'll spit it out with the AI creator you choose. And you're able to create really cool content as shown in the examples over here. You can kind of make anything you really want. You have product videos, you have UGC creators. This is actually a game changer because you don't have to wait weeks for UGC content and you don't have to pay as much. So you're able to get instant UGC content using AI. But this next use, I wish I had when I first started because I would have got to where I am in half the time. Imagine if you could create a custom built Shopify store without spending days designing it, all under 10 minutes. And no, I'm not talking about using AI to create product descriptions. Anyone can kind of figure that out. I'm gonna show you a AI software within a couple clicks is gonna make your entire Shopify store, which means no more wasting hours on a site to test just for it to fail, worrying about what to write or how to design on every single product, or getting trapped in perfectionism and never launching at all. This is the type of thing I wish I had when I first started. It would have saved me so much time while testing products. Let me show you how to use it. So this is the app right here. It's called Atlas. It's an AI store builder. Within a couple clicks, you're able to create a fully branded Shopify store. All you really do inside Atlas is choose your product source, which we're gonna be selecting the product that we made our image with. Now, all we have to do is wait for AI to do its magic. All right, so now it's asking us which photos to implement into the store. I'm just gonna select all of these, press continue. And we need to select a color theme. We're gonna be doing pink petals since it's kind of similar to what our product is, but you could also do custom colors. Now, all we gotta do is press launch your store. And there we go, the store has been fully built out within a couple clicks. So this is a product page that it gave us. It looks extremely branded. And of course, there needs to be a couple things that needs to be changed, but this is gonna save you guys so much time whenever you're building out product pages. Within a couple clicks, this is made. So it's an extremely good tool that you guys should utilize, but this is just unbelievable. I wish I had this when I first started out, but now if you guys are starting out, it's no longer gonna take you so much time to build out a store. Within a couple clicks, you're gonna get that solved. And obviously, product photos and website is a small part of dropshipping. So if you guys are ready to take this on seriously, click the link on the top of the description. I've created a 100% free training around branded authority dropshipping, which walks you through step by step with extreme detail. There's no risk, there's no reason not to. Thank you guys for watching.